Hi everybody, this is Sean Heidemann, designated broker with Position Realty. Today we are going over our Phoenix real estate market report for the month of April 2020. To start off on this report, we're going to discuss the Phoenix rental market, and so let's get started. Phoenix rents have declined 0.2% over the past month, but are up moderately by 2.3% in comparison to the same time last year. This is the second straight month that the city has seen rent decreases after an increase in March. For comparison, our national rent index grew by just 0.8% over the past year. So here's the US, here's Phoenix, and overall Arizona is at 2.1%. And then our national rent index here shows that nationally rents are starting to decline nationally as well. Since 2014, rents in Phoenix have grown by 19%, outpacing the national average of 9.6%. So that's a good thing to hear. Let's close that out. Now we're going to go into our resale market report. The number of new listings decreased 18.1% in April from 11,350 listings in March to 9,297 listings in April. Last year, we experienced a higher amount of new listings coming on the market in April 2019 at 11,167 new listings, and in March 2018, we saw a slightly higher amount of new listings at 10,804 new listings. Due to the swift action of our government by creating the CARES Act and a moratorium on foreclosures of government-backed mortgages, the number of new listings has not increased above historical trends. This moratorium has been extended until the end of June 2020, and it was due to expire May 17, 2020, but they have extended it. The number of active listings decreased. The number of active listings decreased 3.8% in April from 18,215 listings in March to 17,523 listings in April. Historically, the number of active listings on the market is still relatively low as compared to the number of active listings in April 2014 at 29,308 active listings. The number of active listings and new listings may increase in the coming months as the foreclosure moratorium is lifted, but lower mortgage rates will entice buyers to enter the market. So we'll just have to see. The number of sold transactions decreased 19% in March from 8,869 transactions in March to 7,185 transactions in April. A downward trend started before the coronavirus in May of 2019 at 10,533 transactions, and it may appear the downward trend is going to continue since overall showings are down 43.5% as compared to showings in 2019. If the number of overall showings does not increase, we will continue to see a decrease in sold transactions. The average days on market started a downward trend since February 2019 at 72 days on market to its current days on market at 50 days, or a decrease of 30.6%. Historically, 50 days on market is the lowest we have seen since the real estate boom. Since February 2020, we have seen a sharp decrease in the average days on market, but this trend will not continue unless more and more buyers enter the market. The Phoenix housing market ended 2019 exceeding the national average of an overall annual appreciation rate of approximately 10.4%. The average sold price decreased in April 2020 to $369,434, or down 2.3% from March 2020. The sales to original list price, as you see in the black line here, is approximately 98.1%, or an accepted price of 1.9% below the asking price. The average sale to current list price in the brown dotted line is approximately 98.9%, or an accepted price of 1.1% below asking price, which is still pretty good. Since May 2019, the months of inventory has hovered around 1.9 months on market, where it has fluctuated slightly with the lowest at 1.75 and the highest at 2.29 months. In April 2020, we saw an increase above this range at 3.31 months from 1.59 months in March 2020, or an increase of 45.3%. Although this month is above the range, it is only 0.02 months above the range. So we'll have to continue to watch this this indicator as we go forward. Overall, the number of new listings has not exceeded our historical trend. The number of active listings is still relatively low. The number of showings is down significantly, so we can expect to see the number of sold transactions to decrease in the coming months unless low interest rates entice buyers to enter the market. The decrease in average sold price is alarming, but we'll have to watch the market to see if a new downward trend emerges. Currently, the real estate market is volatile due to uncertainty caused by the coronavirus. But as long as these indicators still relatively within the range of a healthy market, we will not experience a market crash. Please feel free to call me if you have any questions or concerns if you should buy or sell in the coming months. Thank you for watching, and please continue to watch future videos.